Welcome to this section on Active Drive Assist, which uses camera and radar technology to improve safety and reduce driver fatigue. To check if your truck has got Active Drive Assist, look to the secondary screen, press Operation, then Switch. You will then see a button with hands and steering wheel. Ensure that the red bar is activated. Or, should you wish, you can use the hard button at the bottom and then switch, and then you will see exactly the same screen. One feature you might be interested in adjusting on ADA is the fact that by default it places you into the centre of the lane, but you can alter this by moving yourself either to the left or the right. You can do that by swiping left or right to reposition the truck in the lane when maybe you're going through roadworks. So we're now out on the road, and I know ADA is activated because I've got a blue steering wheel with the blue hands, and that's now maintaining the lane discipline for me, and proximity control is actually keeping me a safe distance as well. These systems working together all help to reduce driver fatigue. Lane discipline is effectively maintained by the vehicle steering itself, and I can show you that by the fact that if I let go, you can see the steering wheel is moving. It has to remember that ADA is a driver's aid, and you should have both hands on the steering wheel at all times. If the system detects that isn't the case, you will be met with visual and audible warnings, and eventually the system will deactivate.